Hello, everyone. My name is Yusuf, and today I want to discuss ocean acidification, the silent threat. So every breath we take is connected to the ocean. It produces most of the oxygen on Earth and absorbs about a quarter of the carbon dioxide we release from burning fossil fuels. But when CO2 mixes with our seawater, it forms something called carbonic acid, which slowly lowers the ocean's pH. Since the Industrial Revolution, our oceans have become nearly 30% more acidic, an invisible but dangerous transformation that is happening in our oceans right now. Marine organisms that depend on calcium carbonate to build shells and skeletons, things like clams, oysters, coral, and tiny plankton, are finding it even harder to survive now. Coral reefs are losing their strength and color. Shellfish populations are declining in several regions. Even these small disruptions ripple outward through our food web. They affect fish, seabirds, and in the end, ultimately, humans. Ocean acidification weakens biodiversity, and once these systems collapse, recovery can take centuries. Over 3 billion people rely on seafood as their main source of protein. Millions of jobs and entire coastal economics depend on fisheries and tourism connected to healthy coral reefs. Beyond food, the ocean regulates our global climate. It stores heat and protects coastlines from storms. When we damage this natural balance, we endanger both environmental and human security, from rising food costs to increased climate disasters. We can slow ocean acidification by reducing CO2 emissions and protecting the ecosystems that absorb it. Switching to renewable energy, restoring mangroves and seagrasses, and reducing pollution all make a difference. Supporting sustainable seafood choices and lowering our carbon footprints through recycling, conserving energy, and rethinking our consumption are steps every person can take right now. The ocean is resilient, but only if we act quickly. Every action, from global policy to personal habit, helps turn the tide. Healthy oceans mean stable climates, thriving ecosystems, and a future where we still have an ocean. Let's protect the ocean that sustains us all because our future is tied to its health. Thank you.